Hi friend, this is Annie from LANCI Shoe Factory. Today I want to introduce you something about how to customize shoes. Maybe you have some worrying about how to find out a reasonable supplier to help you to do your customized shoes and how to customize your own design with your brand. You can choose us from send us a sketch or the original shoes to follow up. After that, we can create your sketch to create the pattern, and after the pattern done, try the initial trial for you to check. And if you have any suggestion or comments, and we do revise and for your final confirmation. And everything confirmed, we move to the production. Now this is our production line. So we provide a small quantity, customized. When the order confirmed, we release the production details to our production line. The first step is from material cutting. All our material is used genuine leather. Genuine leather is different from the man-made material. We can test from the face, and the stretch and the breathable air hole to compare. So all our material is genuine leather. So if you want to customize high level and shoes, welcome to get contact with us. After the material cutting done, we then move to the stitching. And before the stitching, we will do some preparation, such like to touch some material, some fabric, and some foam to let the shoe looks much nicer. These are our stitching. Doing the stitching and hammer to make the shoe looks much smoother and make the shape looks much nice. And after the pattern done, we have a quantity check to check the pattern, the upper finish if it's okay, or need to do some adjustment. Yeah, this is Napa with suede looks nice. Once the upper completed, we organize our upper such like this to avoid the upper broken. So this is very nice. This is loafer slipper. Use the tumble leather with tumble leather as upper and the cow leather as lining. It's very soft and comfortable. And this is used the crocodile embossed leather as upper and cow leather as lining. And the variation color as the back strap looks very nice. This is winter booties. Since we can do small quantity customized. So some of our high-end shoes we do handmade. Also we have the machine-made shoes in our another production line. When the upper completed, we put the shoe last inside of the upper and put the midsole between the upper and the sole. You can say, we prepare everything here ready, and after that we will do brush the shoe last and put the sole together.